Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to test out the TRX 4M with the new skid plate from Injora. In this first part of the video, I'm just really looking at how my truck stays planted to the rocks when it descends off the rocks, because before it was just flipping over the front and it wasn't as fun because it was always flipping over. So I'm really happy with how the weight is distributed to the center of the truck and stays on its wheels. In this part, it usually takes a lot more work to get up this slick rock right here, but you can see that after it gets off the pea gravel, it gets that nice grip and just crawls right up over that railroad tie and goes over to the other side to make its descend. Now, it's coming down. I can see that the rear end kind of flips to the side. It may need a little bit more weight in the back, but so far I'm happy with the results, with how planted it's been so far. This obstacle right here, it's kind of difficult because of how narrow it is in some spots. Like, it gets trapped in between that rock, and the clearance with the bumper doesn't allow it to just crawl up that little ledge right there. So I have to kind of work my way to get my grip on that right side tire, but I eventually do get over it. Takes a little work, not really any skill, just kind of making my way over it. So this obstacle right here is one of my favorites in the course. My truck did it exceptionally faster than usual, which makes me excited because usually you struggle by sliding side to side with how much lighter it was before, especially when you hit that wood on the sides. It just throws you right off the course because it has no grip, but it climbs up nice and easy over these rocks. This line right here is one that I've never done before. It's the first time, and it's really a cool little obstacle that I found in this course. But I really have no complaints because it got up it just fine. I did get stuck in that crack right there, so I had to work myself out. And I was going to help it, but I ended up not having to at the end. This obstacle right here I call Riverwood Bridge, and I love this obstacle. It's difficult and it's fun. You gotta find that grip or else you're never gonna get up this steep piece of timber. It doesn't look as steep as it does in this video, but it is very steep, and it just works its way up just nicely with that weight to the center of the truck. All in all, I'm pretty impressed with how this weight helps my truck just perform in general. I think that everyone should at least just get the skid plate and a little bit of weight in the front. It helps a lot. And I think I might do the rear knuckles just so I have that little more stability from the backside. But I am very impressed with how this truck's turning out so far. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support.